Abby and I am gutom na. I just want to share with you Snoopy's World. No entrance fee itong theme park na to, located at Newtown Mall, Shatin. So if you're coming from Causeway Bay or Chimchachoy area, you take the MTR, then exit kayo sa Shatin Station. Then meron na siyang parang connected na yung mall sa MTR. This is free, as I've said, open air siya and malaki yung area. Yan, maraming mga photo ops na cute, especially if you like Snoopy Peanuts Gang, diba? Take a look at the whole video, makikita nyo kung gaano kadami yung mga pwede kayo mag-picture. Yeah. Yan, this is the log ride. Yung house na yan, hindi ka naman makakapasok. Sarado siya. So, for picture purpose lang siya. There. Tapos yung school bus doon na makikita nyo on the left side, yon, ayan, yan yung school bus. Actually, pwede ka pumasok sa loob niyan. May mga seats sa loob. So, ang cute niya for photo ops. And there's the iconic sleeping Snoopy pose. Ang dami mga magagandang area. Pwede ka mag-picture. It is pretty big for a mall na may ganyang theme park, diba? And then I will go inside that place. Meron akong picture, I attach the photo sa medyo latter part of the video naman. So makikita nyo. Mag-isa lang kasi ako dyan, so puro mga ano yan, selfie lang. There, ayan, meron. Ito yung parang house din na you can take photos. There. Cute. Ayan. Okay. Marami siyang photo ops area, as I've said. This is free of charge. Medyo, honestly, medyo luma na siya. Hindi siya ganun ka-maintained. Makikita mo from the start of my video, meron mga puddle of water, yung flooring niya, merong mga cracks na, tsaka parang meron ng may mga, basta medyo madumi na siya actually. Hindi siya ganun ka-maintained. But, for something that is free, sino pa magre-reklamo, diba? So, okay na rin. Something na pwede mong puntahan on top of Disney or Ocean Park na pampalipas oras, parang gano'n. At least you can spend mga 30 minutes, I would say 30 minutes to an hour, especially if you have kids. Pwedeng magpahinga dito. Kung let's say family kayo, may senior, pwede silang umupo dyan. May mga upuan naman dyan. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.